Hey, what's up guys, how y'all doing? Today I'm going to be showing you how to turn your vocals from sounding like this.
Dancing in a club, looking for some love, yeah. If you're not the right one, better not waste my time, no. Drink another bottle.
To sounding like this.
Dancing in a club, looking for some love, yeah. If you're not the right one, better not waste my time, no. Drink another bottle. Can't walk, can't see, no.
So guys, I hope everyone's been good. Today I'm going to be showing you how to turn these vocals inside FL Studio. There's also an extended version of this, you guys can grab that below if you want to get it, where you can replace all the paid plugins within this video with free versions and free core plugins that you guys can grab. I have started a new website, myvocalpresets.com, where you guys can grab extended versions and also a full tutorial of this, the extended version, as well as the vocal presets, the FL project file, and as well as that you can also grab, it will come with a free alternative plugins that you guys can use if you can't grab or can't get your hands on the actual paid versions. I hope everyone's been cool though. Been quite busy, but here I am back into streaming, so hope everyone's been cool. Got a few other cool videos coming up from Output. They've sent me a request to do some NPR stuff, so really cool stuff coming up. Apart from that, hope everyone's been good. If you do want more vocal presets and pre-vocal presets, make sure you guys check out Producer Buzz. If you want to get premium vocal presets, check out my other new website, which is myvocalpresets.com. So cool, right? So this project started it 4 months ago and just released it, so go and check it out. Apart from me talking, I'm going to cut straight into this video and I'm going to take segments out from the actual video from my vocal presets that I recorded, and let you guys get the whole actual settings of this vocal preset. Again, if you want the vocal preset, you can grab it below. Apart from that, check out my Producer Buzz. Got loads of cool stuff on there on that blog. We've got loads of drum kits, like over 100 drum kits that you guys can download, free project files, and we've also got loads of VSTs, freeware VSTs that you guys can grab, download and use from Mac and Windows. Apart from me talking, hope everyone's been cool. Again guys, if you've got any questions, drop them below in more description. Apart from that, stay blessed, peace out, and let's go straight into this.
Hey, what's up guys? So here we are in FL Studio, and I'm going to be showing you this quick setup to turn your vocals from this. Dancing in a club, looking for some love, yeah. To sounding like this. Dancing in a club, looking for some love, yeah. Now in the extended version of this, which you guys can grab over here, everything is done step by step, so I'm guessing that you guys understand everything, how it works, the recording and the setup of the FL Studio. If you don't, I suggest you grab that whole product below. I'll talk about it a bit later on what you get. You guys will still be able to download the free presets for this. So this setup comes with the main recorder, and basically on that main recorder, when you're going to record your vocals, you're going to make sure you set up your Autotune artist to retune speed of 10, and on that you want to make sure the humanize is set to 50. Then at the bottom, well at the top should I say, you want to make sure you using the high tone soprano, which is really high kind of pitch. This is kind of perfect for these like Afro-Pop, you know, WizKid, Burna Boy kind of inspired vocals. And then you want to make sure that you match the vocals to the beat, to the melody of the beat. So that's what we've done. And then at the bottom of that, you just want to make sure you're using Soundgodizer, otherwise without it you're going to sound like this. And you're going to turn that on and set it to A 50%, and it's going to give you this really cool kind of vocal effect to start recording. Now I'm not going to show you how to start recording because I'm guessing you guys know how that works. Again, if you don't, get the full extended version. The tutorial is over 15 minutes, so I'm going to try to do this as quick as possible. So you guys can grab that preset for free below. again, if you haven't got Autotune, you can get the 14 days free trial. I'll supply a link to that below. And then once you record your vocals, you're gonna basically have your recorded vocals on screen just like this. You're gonna just hold shift, click on it, drag down, and you're gonna make it unique. Then when you click on it, you want to make sure that both of them are set to the same channel anyway, so you don't even need to make it unique, but you can, just in case you're gonna edit the bottom vocals differently to the ones at the top. You're just gonna click on there, and then you will use the main effect preset, which you guys can grab for free again. And on here we're using Fruity multi-band compressor, and these are all the settings. Check out the hint panel at the top to get all the settings. So the hint panel's over here. So these are the settings you guys can see. I'm just flicking through it really quickly. In the extended version, I actually do cover everything bit by bit. It's a bit longer than this. So that's the extended version. Sorry, that's the extended. Oh my god, that's the settings for the Fruity multi-band compressor. Then we're using Maximus, and basically all we're doing on the Maximus is we're just separating the channels. So when you have the monitor, you click on bands, and you're gonna separate the low here. So you got the bands, and the low you're gonna stereo separate it from the middle to the right, so it's merged. Sorry, not separate, merge it. Then you're gonna get the mids, and you're gonna drag them out, 33% separated to the left, and the highs 46% separated to the left. And then also from the monitor, you're gonna click on bands, and you're gonna just want to do something like this. So minus 1.5, 0.2, and then just 0.4, something like that. So it looks something like this on the screen. And what this is going to do is separate the channels, the bands, and give us this really cool kind of, not stereo, but give us this really cool vocal kind of stereo effect, which is very mild, but it separates the frequencies to play in separate kind of channels, and it just does the right kind of effect. Now here we got the vocal cleaner again. In the free version, well, in the extended version on here on a product that is $9.99, there will be 2 extra videos on how to actually replace the vocal cleaner with a free VST plugin that is available, and you can even achieve a better kind of sound than here. But the vocal cleaner does a perfect job, and it is a pro. In fact, they both sound a bit different, but the vocal cleaner does sound a lot better. But the free version, obviously, you can't go wrong because you're not spending extra money, and I use the free version in all of my presets, so pretty cool. But here I'm using a vocal cleaner to get a professional sound output, and what it does is it removes the hisses, the clicks, the pops, and basically gives us this really cool kind of stereo ready kind of sound. So when we upload our track onto social media, audio streaming platforms, and play it on any devices, it gets rid of the muddiness and gives us that clear kind of sound. So you're going to click on a preset, click on hip hop de-easer, set this to 40% mix and 2.7 output, leave everything as it is, and this will give you a really cool kind of sound when you play it. Dancing in a club without it, looking for some love. We're hitting all sort of frequencies, but with it on, we're getting that really cool kind of vocal output sound. Dancing in a club, looking for some love, yeah. If you're not the right one. And then at the bottom, we just added a fruity reverb 2 with default settings and 30% input, and a soft clipper at the end. That is pretty much it. And that is how you guys can turn your vocals, you know, to sound like this inside FL Studio. So how simple is that, guys? Come on. So you can grab the full free preset below, and you'll get a folder that will contain the main effects on here, as you guys can see. It will contain the main rake and the main effects. If you guys do want to grab the extended version of this, then the extended version contains the FL preset as well as this tutorials, so how to import your vocal presets, which is 1 minute 37, and you also get a full 18-minute step-by-step guide on how to record and import your presets and all the settings explained. And you'll also get an extra explanation on reverb and how you can change and alter other settings. So I recommend you guys grabbing that. And then you get the free alternative plugins that you guys can use to replace Autotune Antares, as well as the vocal cleaner in here. So 2 extra videos that you guys can watch. You get the FLP project file in here as well, which you can just preload and load up. And you also get the image cover. So all that for $9.99. If you guys want to support me and my channel, that would be great. If not, you can head over to Producer's Buzz and get just the presets that you guys import on here. Just these 2 presets, the main rake and the main effects. Apart from that, hope everyone's been cool. Thanks for watching. Peace out. And drop more comments below, guys, on what vocal presets you want to see.